Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can order on Superbuy. Okay, so this is literally like the best way to purchase items because Superbuy like can store the items you purchase, and you can like you can wait like 60 days, so you can always like buy more to save on shipping. I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can buy from Superbuy right now. So the first thing you need to do, guys, you can either like enter the product link, okay, from Chinese websites, because if you don't know this, like Superbuy is like a middleman. It's like they purchase items on your behalf on Chinese websites where it's really hard to purchase because it's Chinese and it's very hard, like very popular Chinese websites. It's very hard to purchase from them. So what Superbuy does is they purchase that item for you and they ship it to you. Okay, they have warehouse in China and they purchase that exact item. Okay, Superbuy itself purchases that after, of course, you pay here, and then they send it to you directly. And like I said, you can always store your items for up to 60 days. You can always add more items, and then they can ship to you all the items in bulk, so you can save on shipping. By the way, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Okay, so you want to search, like I said, for the product, or you can add the link here from the Chinese website. Okay, so in my case, I'm just going to search here for iPhone case, for example, and you will be able to, like I said, like you can literally find whatever you want here, like literally anything you want, and the prices are very cheap, as you can see. 0.23 cent, as you can see. It's very cheap. Okay, so after you find the one you want, for example this one, just click on it. Okay, and when you click on it, then you will be able here to click, as you can see, it says here Superbuy will purchase the items for you. As you can see, no detailed product quantity check. If the product come in their original packaging, our warehouse will not check the product quantity by unpacking them. Okay, so they cannot like do anything to the product. Just click here on confirm, and as you can see, it says here Superbuy will purchase products from selected third-party platforms, but Superbuy will not take responsibility for the risks that come with the products. If something happens, they cannot help. Okay, so always like buy things that are cheap, not very expensive, to avoid problems, but most of the time you are not going to have any problem. Okay, click confirm and next. It says here we will purchase the product for you after you pay for the products, okay, and the shipping costs. Okay, so click on confirm and next, and then click I understand, that accept, then click next step, and here you can add the quantity, how many items you want to purchase, and here the color, and here which iPhone you want to purchase this for, and you want to click on, you can either add to cart or you can buy now. After you click on buy now, you just need to log in, okay, into your Superbuy account. I'm just going to use my own Google account and click continue. Okay, so after you log in, as you can see, after you log in, just click here, like I said, I'm going to click here on next, and then agree. Okay, so after you are here, guys, just click, like I said, select here which iPhone you have, depends on what products you want. To click on buy now, and after you click, guys, here you want to select the color, and you can select here the country. Okay, make sure you select here on the product page, you can see here your country, and then click on buy now. Okay, so after, guys, you click on buy now, it's going to take you to this address page here. Make sure you select again your country, which is, in my case, it's United States, USA. Okay, so after that, you can also now, if you want, they can provide you with video capture. They can also send you the proof bag packaging. Okay, so all these you will have to pay a few like yens, which is in Chinese currency, it's a few cents. Okay, so I'm going to require them details inspection. Okay, so as you can see, you can add here the remark. Okay, just enter here the remark, detailed inspection, exactly what you want them to do. And after that, you want to scroll down and you want to click on submit, and then you will ask you to verify your email. Okay, so after you verify the email, then you can select here which bank which payment method you want to use. In my case, I'm going to use, for example, Apple Pay, and then you can enter here the name, the last name, zip code, and then click on save, and then scroll down and then click on pay. Okay, so that's exactly, guys, how you can do. It's very simple. You can also use Wise if you want. Okay, you can also use their balance. You can just click on top up, and then you can add the balance to your Superbuy account, and then you can use that balance in the future. Okay, hopefully this one, guys, helped you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys next tutorial. Drop a like, that would be highly appreciated.